Hello YouTubers, in this video I am going to be showing you how to use the share button. Now what I've done is I have taken my video clip, which is 51 seconds long, and basically what I'm going to do is go through the various different steps that you need to do in order to be able to upload your video to whatever the share option gives you. Now I haven't had a look at the manual, so this is basically raw. I'm doing this without any knowledge of how to do it, exactly the same way as I did the Kodak Playtouch. So here I have my video. So now what I'm going to do, put the old macro on, is press the share button. Now that gives me a choice of Facebook, Flickr, YouTube or email, or I can have a look at the share settings, so let's have a look at those. So basically I assume that these are all the different things that you can use. You can put your own email in there, I would have thought. So for the purposes of today we are going to use YouTube. So I've done that. So we've clicked YouTube and then we go to done. Share this and then change saved. Right. Okie dokie. So it's now been saved. So I've got my USB lead here. Now the thing with this share option thing is that you need a computer that is hooked up to the internet. Okay, so we've enabled the share option on the video we want. Now we hook up the camera to the computer. Two options come up. One is autoplay and two is the installation thingy, and it's the installation thingy that we want, so I'll close the other one. Right, so run Kodak camera setup app XE. Yes please, thank you please. So now it's going to test for an internet connection, and now it's asking me if I want to install ArcSoft, which I don't, so I'm going to unclick that and I'm going to put install now. Now it's asking me the language, so you put in what language you want and basically just go through the various different steps to install the Kodak Share app. Now this is actually about the fourth time I've done this, because the first sample that I uploaded, when I videoed the whole process, it was all out of focus. So I'm having to do it again using my Toshiba S30 because the macro is slightly better on it than in Kodak Playtouch. So I'm hoping that I shall be able to do this better. Right, so this is what you get up, okay? So you've got Kodak Gallery, Facebook, Flickr, various other different things, Twitter, which is there. Right, we want YouTube, so add account. Now, this is where it is a little bit confusing. It says user email address. You don't want to put an email address in there. You want to put your YouTube username in there. And then you want to put your YouTube password in there. So once you've done that, you press enable. And it says please wait. So we've done that and there it is there. So next we just press next. Now it's going to go through various different settings. Now I kept with the defaults with all of these. Send pictures in their own original size. I'm going to keep that. I also left desktop in there and that seemed to be okay, so press next. Prompt me to customize the message, which basically means that it will show what message you want to put on YouTube or Flickr or whatever, which I think is better, so press next. Copy pictures and videos always. These are things that you can change. I'm just going to leave them as is, and there you go. Now it is doing a countdown, so there you go. Right, so now this is what we are to put up, which is going to be shown on YouTube.
So I shall put ZX5 Share option sample 2. Hi guys, this is another share option test video for the ZX5. Enjoy.
So there we go. Now we press continue. To begin uploading, must first agree. Yeah, I agree with that. So now it's basically going to upload to YouTube. The whole process is probably going to take about half hour. So even though the clip is slightly shorter, this bit is going to take quite some time. So what I'm going to do, cut the video so that it then goes to when it gets to about 99%. So I shall see you then. Okie dokie. So there we go. According to that, it's been successfully uploaded to YouTube. So we press continue. You can now disconnect your camera. So we close that. So let's have a look on YouTube to see if we've got a second clip. Go to my channel. Right, so there's the first one. So let's have a look in my videos. And there is the clip, share option sample number 2. See if we can watch it. And there it is. Hello YouTubers, I'm doing the share option thing again. Let's see if it shows up on my channel now. And there it is. So it doesn't take very long for it to come up. Obviously it's still being processed, so the quality isn't going to be 100%. But there you go, that's the whole share process done. There you go, that's the share option. Now personally I don't understand why Kodak have got the share option. Maybe doing it with Facebook and Flickr and stuff like that, it might make things easier, but as far as YouTube is concerned, I think it actually makes it a little bit more complicated, and I prefer to actually edit it in my own software and upload it the normal way. Now I would say that this share button would have been better used as a macro switch, and I'll talk about that a bit more later on when I do the macro test. But for now, that's my video to show you how to use the share option. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you have any questions about the setup and all that sort of stuff, then ask away and I will try and answer the best I can. Okay, that's enough from me, and I'll do some more later on. Bye bye for now.